Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss the previous year question of CVET, right? And we are discussing the questions so that you can get the idea how to tackle the question in the examination, right? I am taking the English section. See, first of all we will discuss about the reading comprehension section. Reading comprehension means what? First of all, let me tell you about the paragraph. Paragraph is what? Group of interconnected or interrelated sentences, right? So when you are reading the first sentence, the other sentences must be interconnected with the first information. So you have to retain the information in your mind. While reading the passage, you have to keep some sort of informations in the passage. Why? Because in CVT examination you will get direct level questions and indirect level questions. Direct level questions means what? Questions based on the keywords. Direct level questions means what? Which can be answered directly from the given paragraph, right? Let's begin. See the passage. It is saying there is a lovely story of a tree and a little boy who used to play in its shade. First of all, when you are reading the passage, try to identify the style of the passage. This passage is written in what? In which style? It is written in a narrative style, narrative manner, right? Any story, event or incident, when it is discussed, it is written in narrative. In narratives, you have to pick or you have to retain the informations given in the passage. Let's see. There is a lovely story of a tree and a little boy who used to play in its shade. Means, who are the protagonists of this story? The tree and the little boy, right? Now, the tree and little boy who used to play in its shade, they had become friends. One day the boy sat leaning against the trunk of the tree. Means one day the boy sat leaning against means what? He was taking support of the trunk of the tree, crying. He was crying, he was sad, he was hungry. Eat my fruit. Now when the little boy told to that tree that I am hungry, he told what? The tree told what? Eat my fruit. Eat my fruit, said the kind tree, bending down one of its branches. Now what? The tree was very much humble and kind. He bent down his one branch, and he told the boy that eat my fruit. Right? Now, the boy ate the fruit. Now, boy was happy after eating food. He was crying. Why he was crying? Because he was hungry. ये सब information आपको याद रखना है, retain रखना है, right? Now, the boy ate the fruit and was happy. Now he becomes what? Happy. Clear? Now the boy grew up. One day he sat under the tree with anxious look on his face. Now the boy grew up. Means अब वो थोड़ा बड़ा हो गया. One day he sat under the tree with an anxious look. Anxious means being worried. बहुत ज़्यादा चिंता में हो जाना, worried हो जाना. Look and on his face. What is the matter? Asked the tree. Now tree asked, what is the matter? अब क्या हुआ? I am going to marry and I want a house to live in. Now that guy who grew up, जो बड़ा हो गया, उसने कहा कि I want to marry and I want a house to live in. मेरे पास घर नहीं है, मुझे एक घर चाहिए, right? Now what said the young man? Cut down my branches and build your house. Now the kind tree told that young boy, that cut down my branches, take my branches and build your house. Means the tree was having a strong bond with that boy, and he was kind enough to provide all the things which it can provide. Now it is saying that मेरा branches को cut कर लो और अपने house बना लो. तो इतना sacrifice कर रहा था वो उसके लिए, but what? There was no pain in its face. Means what? Tree's face. Now the young man built a हाउस विद द ब्रांचेस ऑफ द ट्री. नाउ अब क्या किया उसने हाउस बना लिया किसके? उस ट्री के ब्रांचेस से. द यंग मैन बिकेम अ सेलर. अब यंग मैन क्या बन गया? नाउ बाय प्रोफेशन ही बिकम्स अ सेलर. सेलर मींस हु वर्क्स ऑन द शिप, जो शिप पर काम करते हैं. वन डे ही सैट अंडर द ट्री. अब वो फिर एक दिन ट्री के पास आया, उसी ट्री के पास, और उसके अंदर बैठ गया, नीचे बैठ गया. विद अ वरीड लुक. नाउ अगेन ही बिकम्स वरीड. अब क्या हुआ? Let's see. What is the matter? Asked the tree. Right? My captain is a cruel fellow. Now what? Now he was worried due to his captain's behavior. right? And he is saying he was very cruel, right? I want a ship of my own. Now he is willing to have his own ship. Now what said the sailor? Cut down my trunk and build a ship. Now trunk is what? The major portion of what? Tree, right? And the tree is ready to provide its trunk to that young man who becomes a sailor now, right? The sailor lost his ship and returned home as helpless old man. Now अब sailor क्या हुआ? Sailor lost his ship and returned home as helpless old man. अब उसकी एक दिन ship भी चली गई, ship को वो lost कर गया, right? Now what? On a cold winter's day, he stood where the tree once was, leaning on his stick and trembling with cold. Now what? One day he was trembling. Trembling means होता है shaking, means कांपना, right? So he was one day he was trembling, or you can say he was shaking. His body was shaking due to cold, right? Make a fire of me and warm yourself, said the stump of the tree. अब उस tree में बहुत ही कम part बचा था. उस छोटे से stump part ने बोला कि मेरे stump को burn कर लो and what? And warm yourself. Now what? The stump of the unselfish tree burned in the fire, softly humming a tune. Now this story is what? This story tells about the bond between a tree and a boy. Boy पहले छोटा था तो क्या हुआ? एक दिन वो he was what? He was crying, he was hungry. तो tree ने कहा कि मेरे fruit खा लो, right? Now another day when he grew up, वो फिर आया worried होके and he said, I want to marry and I want a house of my own. तो क्या हुआ? उसने कहा कि मेरे ब्रांचेस को कट कर लो और उससे हाउस बना लो. अब उसके ब्रांचेस कट हो गए, उससे ब्रांच बना लिया, हाउस बना लिया. नाउ व्हाट? अब क्या हुआ? थर्ड इवेंट में व्हेन ही बिकम्स सेलर, वो फिर आया उसके पास, ट्री के पास, एंड ही टोल्ड दैट आई वांट माय ओन शिप. तो उसने कहा कट माय ट्रंक. तो ट्रंक को भी कट कर लिया. नाउ व्हाट? अब ट्री के पास बहुत कुछ बचा ही नहीं देने के लिए, बट उसने इतनी काइंडनेस दिखाई कि वो 1, 2, 3 टाइम्स हर वक्त कुछ ना कुछ उस बॉय को देता गया. नाउ व्हाट? जब एक दिन वो फिर आया शेक करते हुए, मतलब कोल्ड से बहुत सफर कर रहा था, तो उसने कहा कि मेरे स्टंप को आप बर्न कर लो और वार्म योरसेल्फ, ठीक है? तो उसने उसके ट्रंक को भी स्टंप को भी जब बर्न किया तो उसने एक ट्यून, हमिंग ट्यून मींस गुनगुनाना, गुनगुनाया, ठीक है? दिस वाज द पैसेज. नाउ सी द क्वेश्चंस. क्वेश्चंस क्या है? आई टोल्ड यू दैट यू विल गेट डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस, मींस क्वेश्चंस बेस्ड ऑन कीवर्ड्स. कीवर्ड्स मींस व्हिच आर गिवन इन द पैसेज, राइट? तो देखते हैं क्वेश्चंस में कीवर्ड्स को कैसे हम लोग टैकल करेंगे. लेट्स सी. Let's have a look at question 1. Now this question is what? Match the following. Match the following में यहाँ पर जैसे the boy was crying, अब स्टोरी तो हमें माइंड में रिटेन हो चुकी है, तो we can easily answer the questions. और एक और तरीका आपको बताता हूँ, you can easily tackle the question through options. आप eliminate कर सकते हो. Always do the eliminations. See, the first element is what? You have to match this list with this one. The boy was crying. Let's see. The boy was crying. Now why he was crying? Because he was hungry. So this one goes with what? Third. तो इसमें A का कॉम्बिनेशन किससे बनेगा? 3 से. तो जिस भी ऑप्शन में A का कॉम्बिनेशन 3 से है वो कंसिडर हो जाएगा and all other will be eliminated. See this. यहाँ पर एक ही ऑप्शन है जिसमें A में 3 है, तो that is what? That is the correct answer. Clear? ठीक है. बाकी हम देख लेते हैं. B is what? B is second. The young man was anxious to marry and wanted a house of his own. ठीक है. And the sailor was worried and what? Third is what? Suppose if you see C is what? The sailor was worried and what? Wanted to own a ship of his own. The stump was the beautiful kind and the selfish tree, right? तो हम ये सारे मैच नहीं भी करने पड़ेंगे. We can save our time through the options. Clear? Now let's see the next question. Next question is the two protagonists. Protagonist means what? Central character of the story, right? तो protagonist कौन-कौन थे इसमें? Tree था और वो boy था, right? The two protagonists of the story are, now see the options, both innocent and naive. One is intelligent and the other a fool. You cannot say fool. Fool नहीं था कोई, दोनों में बॉन्ड अच्छा था, वो काइंड बहुत था, उसके लिए कई चीजें देने को रेडी था. Both cunning and selfish. One of them is demanding and greedy, the other always generous, sensitive and supportive. यस ये कह सकते हो, वन वॉज डिमांडिंग, वो हमेशा उसके पास आ जाता था बार बार कुछ ना कुछ मांगने, ठीक है। और अदर बहुत ही जेनरस और काइंड था, सेंसिटिव था और सपोर्टिव था, राइट। सो योर आंसर वुड बी व्हाट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का आंसर क्या होगा, इट वुड बी डी। क्लियर। नाउ B, one of them is demanding and greedy, the other always generous, sensitive. So who was demanding and greedy? That boy. And who was generous and sensitive? That tree. Clear? Now let's see the next question. Third question says, see this. How were the tree and the little boy related to each other? Now how they are related to each other? See this. They were close contenders in their race to survive. Now are they were struggling for the survival? No, they were very close friends due to their very long association. Yes, ये आपके स्टोरी के स्टार्टिंग फेज में गिवन था कि वहां पर बॉय खेलता था उस ट्री के पास, राइट। और ड्यू टू द लॉन्ग बॉन्डिंग, लॉन्ग एसोसिएशन, उन दोनों के बीच क्या हो गई, फ्रेंडशिप हो गई। दिस कुड बी द आंसर, बट यू हैव टू सी ऑल अदर ऑप्शंस, राइट। तो ए तो नहीं होगा। दे वर कलीग्स एज दे वर्क टुगेदर, नो। दे वर कंप्लीटर्स इन देयर नीड टू फुलफिल देयर ओन नीड्स, नो। कंप्लीटर्स भी नहीं थे, वर्क भी साथ में नहीं करते थे। आंसर इज व्हाट, बी। तो थर्ड का आंसर क्या होगा, इट वुड बी बी। नाउ सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 4। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 इज, see this. The story highlights a typical selfish human nature we are all familiar with. Identify it from the options given below. अब टिपिकल सेल्फिश नेचर किसका था, उस यंग बॉय का था, ठीक है। वो बार बार उससे मांगने चला रहा था। ट्री ने कभी कुछ मांगा उससे, नहीं मांगा, राइट। तो सेल्फिश नेचर को शो कर रहा है। कंपैशन एंड बेनेवोलेंस, ये तो पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा आपका। काइंडनेस, कंजर्वेशन ऑफ फॉरेस्ट, नो। माइंडलेस ग्रीड टू पोजेस मोर एंड मोर वेल्थ, हो सकता है सी। हार्टलेस एंड फुलिश एक्सप्लॉयटेशन ऑफ नेचर। नाउ व्हाट, दिस इज व्हाट, सी और डी में आपका आंसर क्या होगा, माइंडलेस ग्रीड टू पोजेस मोर एंड मोर वेल्थ, नो। एक्सप्लॉयटेशन बोलेंगे तो दैट वुड बी द बेटर ऑप्शन। व्हाई? If you cut the trees, it is again exploitation of trees, right? Means nature. So this one is what? This one is the answer. Heartless and foolish exploitation of nature. D is the answer, right? Now, let's see the fifth question. Fifth question is, the stump of the unselfish tree burnt in the fire, softly humming a tune. Now, means, so when you are getting a question with keywords, means पोर्शंस विद इन इन्वर्टेड कॉमा, तो उसका आंसर आपको क्या देना है, उसी कंटेक्स्ट में देना है जिस कंटेक्स्ट में सेंटेंस बोला गया है। सी द ऑप्शंस। एवरी ट्री सिंग्स व्हेन इट इज बर्न, नो, यू कैन नॉट जनरलाइज इट, राइट, कि जब भी कोई ट्री बर्न होता है इट सिंग्स, नो। द सेल्फलेस ट्री फेल्ट नो पेन इवन इन इट्स एक्यूट सफरिंग व्हाइल डाइंग, केयरिंग फॉर अदर्स, ठीक है। नाउ अब ये किसी को आंसर लग सकता है, तो इफ यू आर 0.1% हैविंग doubt in any question, make a point over it, do not cross. The frail and wonderful, frail means होता है नाजुक, कमजोर, weak, and wonderful tree tried to forget its pain by humming. No, we cannot say weak tree, right, and wonderful tree, ठीक, weak and wonderful tree tried to forget its pain by humming. The tree was a fool and was humming. No, he was not fool, he was kind. There is a difference between kind and a fool, right? So answer is B. Clear? Now let's see the last question, sixth one. Sixth one is, how would you define the relationship that the story illustrates? Select the correct answer from the following options. Now, how will you define the relationship or the bond between that tree and the boy? See, option A, it was a mutual symbiotic relationship. It was a relationship based on a deceit and treachery. Deceit means होता है धोखा देना, धोखा नहीं दे रहा था वो बॉय, वो बार बार उससे डिमांड्स कर रहा था, राइट, ठीक है। तो दिस इज नॉट द आंसर। सी, इट वाज एन वन साइडेड रिलेशनशिप वेयर द ट्री लव्ड, केयर फॉर एंड सपोर्ट द बॉय टिल इट्स एंड। इट वाज अ डिस्गाइज्ड एनमिटी, नो। तो एनमिटी, दुश्मनी, डिसीट, ये सब नहीं होंगे। इट वाज अ म्यूचुअल सिम्बियोटिक रिलेशनशिप, या इट वाज वन साइडेड रिलेशनशिप, नो, इट वाज नॉट वन साइडेड, बोथ वर फ्रेंड्स, बट वन वाज डिमांडिंग, अदर वाज नॉट डिमांडिंग। सो ये बता सकते हैं इट वाज अ म्यूचुअल सिम्बियोटिक रिलेशनशिप, ए, राइट। सो in this way we can answer the questions. So in CET examination हमने अभी 6 क्वेश्चन किए, एक किस लेटर आरसी किया, क्या लर्निंग हुई? You are getting more of what? Direct level questions. Direct level questions means questions based on keywords which are given as it is in the passage, right? Now, in the next 10, we will discuss some more questions. Thank you so much.